How to buy a digital Roblox gift card with Cash App. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll teach you on how to purchase a Roblox gift card using Cash App for yourself, your friends, or anyone you prefer. Buying a Roblox gift card with a Cash App has become incredibly convenient nowadays. Allow me to guide you through the process step by step. First of all, begin by navigating to the roblox.com or launching the official Roblox application and ensure that you're logged into your specific account. Now click on the gift cards option in the left-hand side of the screen. Now simply click on the shop gift cards that is highlighted in white color. Once there, indicate whether this gift card is intended for yourself or your friend. Once on this page, you will be prompted to choose between a digital card or a physical card. The digital card can be sent through your email for immediate delivery or at a date and a time of your choice. For the physical card, a traditional gift card sent through the email, there is a one-time shipping fee of $0.99 per card. Select your preferred option and next input your desired amount to be loaded on the card. You can also add a message if you want. And now input the recipient's email address. Then also confirm the same email address in the following field. Then select the delivery date, that is optional, and then click on Add to Cart. And finalize the purchase by clicking on the checkout option that is highlighted in blue color. You will then be directed to a payment section where you must choose the Cash App as your payment method. This is how you can seamlessly acquire a Roblox gift card using the Cash App. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.